turn it on.
Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing the second FIFA 17 pack opening. There are 35k packs out, there are mega packs out. We'll be opening 5 today and maybe a few other packs. So let's get into it. Come with me. Okay, here we go. Focusing on it. Last time we managed to pack Gianluigi Buffon. So 700 FIFA points. Can we get something good here? Tiny Flits, a rare. Adan. 80 rated, that's fine. It's first pack. Not expecting something massive from the first pack. Vieto. Comment in the description, please, how you say that word. Goes in the club. Third pack now. We want something amazing here. Another Savage this time. We're getting higher each time. Not the best. Right, here we go. Fourth pack. We want something amazing here. Another rare gold. Adrian Silva. Last time it took us a while to get through the form, but I think we have a good chance of getting it. Alright guys, last pack. We want something amazing. It's another that's the lowest rated one. Mustafi, I've already got him in my club. It's our highest rated one of the pack opening. Guys, literally as soon as I start opening, we've got 10 rare gold packs, 25k packs out. If I didn't open that last one, we would have opened 2 of these. But it's fine, we can open 1. Let's see who we get. Will this be the best pack we can get? It's quite a big flare. Varane. Okay, that's our highest rated one. That's really good. Varane. And Viviano and Gonalons. That's epic. 3 packs left, guys. Please, we want something amazing. We haven't got a non-rare yet. Still haven't got one yet. Alessandrini is 77 rated. Not good. 2 packs left. Come on, we want amazing things here. First one we're all day. San X. Okay. Not good. Alright guys, last pack of the pack opening. I'm hoping to get something amazing here. Please, end off with rare. We get Vieto again. We literally packed this guy in the first pack of the game. Okay guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed that video. It wasn't as good as the last pack opening, but still good. So if you're new around here, please subscribe and like my videos. I want the highest score of likes this time, so thank you for all that. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.